we're gonna make a fire, cook the rat. Is everybody agreed? Yes. Let's get this fire started, shall we?
Mandark, have you ever eaten a rat?
No. I ate at the school cafeteria once.
I ain't eating no rat.
You'll eat it and like it, mister.
All right, look here, Pa Kettle. I've been cutting you a lot of slack because you're old.
Yeah, that's not very good, very well. Isn't it, guys? Yeah. So anyways, it looks like a lemonade.
Are you talking about my hair? Nobody talks about my hair.
Just get a rest. What about you, chicken?
What about me what? Have you eaten rat?
Please, lips that touch that won't never touch mine.
Somebody heard a stampede. I don't want to be irresistible anymore.
Who's Marty? It's me. Ooh, girl, I hope that's not permanent.
Thank you for making us #1.
Okay, beak, whatever.
Disgusting. Oh man!
Wait, where's Marty?
Stop copying us.
You know, maybe there's a reason Tom never caught Jerry.
Okay, that's a little awkward.